I think it's 5 minutes. Laundry room. Ito yung laundry room. Pwede kang magtambay dito. No. Ano daw sabi? Bakit may mga plastic dyan? Saan ang room mo?
This is my
May room? Okay. Where your name?
It's gonna be there later.
Okay.
They ran out of tape. So I'm paying $5,000 for all of it monthly.
Oh, somebody in there. It's Scrappy is there. It's Scrappy is there. Yan. Kitchen. Ref. Diba? Si Scrappy, yung may-ari. Ito yung restroom. Another bedroom. May sala. Tapos ito yung bedroom ni Casey. Yan. Dito siya. Tapos, ito yung roommate niya. Wala pa dito. Bukas pa daw. Ayan yung roommate niya.